In this demo, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how to create a billing repair card invoice in Railink's car repair billing application. Car repair billing is Railink's system for managing invoices for car repairs. One of the methods for submitting invoices is the billing repair card, also known as the BRC component of car repair billing. BRC allows for creating and transmitting invoices and ensures that all required fields are populated and validated prior to submission. All BRCs created during the current month must be invoiced and submitted to the data exchange on or before the last business day of the month. Failure to submit BRC invoicing to the data exchange before this deadline will delay receipt of invoicing by the billed company until next month when the data exchange is run again. The Railink data exchange system is run on approximately the 5th business day of each month. It converts BRC transactions into the 500-byte record format and distributes them electronically to the appropriate billed company. A BRC and each detail line must be in price status to be included in an invoice. Once a BRC is submitted to the data exchange, the status is changed to invoiced and changes and deletions are no longer allowed. Sign in to Launchpad and navigate to Car Repair Billing. From the menu bar, select Billing Repair Card and then select View BRCs. From the resulting screen, select Priced BRCs. You can also locate priced BRCs by selecting Search BRCs and then selecting the price status. Select one or more BRCs to be invoiced by selecting a checkbox and then selecting Create Invoice. Input the account month and year. Select the checkbox to select the row and then enter the invoice number, invoice date, payment due date, payment terms, and billed party contact. Payment terms are typically 30, 45, or 60 days. If there are miscellaneous tax charges to add, select the plus sign in the miscellaneous charge column. You have the option of selecting the Save as Draft button to save your work as a draft prior to finalizing and sending for data exchange. Once all the appropriate information has been entered, select the Finalize and Send for Data Exchange button. As long as the information entered is valid, your submission should receive a message that the invoice has been successfully submitted to the data exchange. Once a BRC is submitted to the data exchange, the status is changed to invoiced, and changes and deletions are no longer allowed. To create additional invoices, repeat this process. That wraps up our brief overview of how to create a billing repair card invoice in Railink's car repair billing application. Contact us for more information.